Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the construction taking place in Drax Hall. But today we want to talk about the highways being built in Drax Hall. Now the government is building two highways in Drax Hall. They recently announced that the highway from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay is going to start. They're going to be spending $52 billion on that highway. That's, let's call it highway number one. It's going to be a toll road. It's going to be look just like highway 2000 north south leg or the Edward Siaga highway that takes you from Kingston to Miami Bay. It's just an extension. It's going to go from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay. It's going to be a toll road. Now there is a second highway that runs through Drax Hall. That's the Northern Coastal Highway. That highway takes you from Montego Bay all the way to St. James to Montego Bay. Sorry, from the Grill to Montego Bay all the way to Ocho Rios, and from Ocho Rios all the way to Portland. Now that's called a Northern Coastal Highway. But in some sections that road is a mere two-lane main road. But it's called a Northern Coastal Highway. However, the section by Drax Hall is going to be upgraded to a highway. It's going to be 4 lanes. Let's call that highway number 2. It's going to be 4 lanes, and in some cases it's going to be 6 lanes because of the turning lanes. So I just want everybody to be on the same page. So technically, Drax Hall is going to have 8 lanes. 8. 4 for the toll road and 4 for the regular road or the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, just beside Drax Hall is Miami Bay. That's where the highway currently ends. There's a roundabout. They're going to take out the roundabout and put in an interchange. It's going to be a graded interchange. So on one level, let's say the upper level, you're going to have the traffic for the toll road, and then the lower level you're going to have the traffic for the Northern Coastal Highway. So that's where both will intersect, but it's two different highways. And the toll road that we said was going to Discovery Bay, there's also going to be another section from Miami Bay to actually Prospect in St. Mary. So it will go from Ocho Rios. So you might ask, why is this area having 8 lanes? Well, Drax Hall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica, and the north coast, especially between Ocho Rios and Discovery Bay, is growing at an unprecedented rate in Jamaica. Thousands of homes, thousands of hotel rooms. There are hotels slated to be built that have not even started yet. And as of today, it can take you up to an hour to just drive through Drax Hall with the traffic that's there now. And that doesn't include all these developments that you see under construction. That's more traffic coming to Drax Hall. That doesn't include all the hotels that are under construction, all the villas that are under construction, all the homes that are under construction. So I think this is a very good move from the government, and it's needed. So guys, just to reiterate, it's two different highways for Drax Hall. One is going to be a toll road, an extension of Highway 2000 north-south leg from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay and Miami Bay to St. Mary. And then the Northern Coastal Highway, which is not a toll road, which is the main road, is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to be upgraded to a highway. Oh, well, a 4-lane dual carriageway. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.